What up, guys? It's Cole.
It's Nick.
With the IowaGearHeadz. We've been gone for a while. It's Nick's fault.
But we've been busy.
It's Nick's fault. Race truck and a cam. Put it back on.
Do I have to turn it off? Should I turn it off? Battery pack off?
Ready?
Got this? How about this? We'll put it in neutral, hook it behind Ghost, and pull it.
What's battery pack back?
We're gonna see if we can get this bitch to run.
Wide open! Hey, wait a minute.
It's not on.
Get it. Oh, yeah. And then get it, bitch. I'm telling you, we got this.
Where we're going, we don't need roads.
We're going. We don't need a fucking battery.
And it's dead. It's all fine.
That was really bad. I didn't think I had to drive smooth still.
Yeah. Dude, maybe it just needs gas. Think about that.
We can't fill it. You want me to drive it up to the gas station?
Alright.
Ready for this shit? Don't worry, Grandpa.
You're on ramp. You're good, bud. Oh my god, the size difference. Look at the size difference.
Oh god.
I don't know if you can really see that on camera, but
Okay, hold up. So Grandpa comes up to my chest, right? Like, poor little Grandpa.
We're gonna switch tires and probably do this outside.
okay.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on.
We need to find a set of tires for the Odyssey.
What are you talking about? This thing.
And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways.
you want to grab that?
Grab the wheel, Nick.
Huh?
Grab that one. Let's go. Alright, guys.